ERP. I would like to welcome distinguished dignitaries on the panel. We have Mr. Anand Sinha, CIO with Tata Technologies, 3 decades of experience. He is an IIM alumni as well. We have Mr. Apoorv from SAP. He leads finance and spend vertical for SAP India. I am chemical engineer from IIT and BA from IIM. Worked with not just SAP but in past association he's got the flavors of other ERPs as well, Oracle, Microsoft. And on my left we have Vaibhav Sharma from, he is CDIO with APL Apollo. It's the largest tube manufacturing company in India. Vaibhav has flavors again on sitting on both sides of the table. He's worked with Accenture, Deloitte in his past career. He rose up to Vice President with Accenture before taking this chair of CIO with APL Apollo. And we have Mr. Chandar Khanduja. He's got experience of doing all kinds of ERP transformations, whether it's blue field, green field, brown field, hybrids, and etc. He is CDIO with Baxi Auto currently. I guess let me start with my first question. And my first question is for all the panelists. So we are in the moment where the AI is boardroom discussions, and the boardroom expects a lot from the CIOs to implement the AI across the enterprise application. So from your experience, each one of you, what does it actually take to move AI from boardroom discussions to something that genuinely changes or genuinely impacts business? Maybe we can start with Anand.
First of all, thanks CII for inviting me to share my thoughts and insights on this. And thanks Ankit for moderating this session. So yes, so right now there are a lot of boardroom discussion happening. I will say not for the AI perspective, but now the discussion is happening how we can get outcome out of AI. It's not about how we can leverage and how we are going to test AI, but the discussion is happening. We have done a lot of pilot, lot of experiment. Now how we are going to take the business outcome out of it. So from a strategy perspective, as I say now we all are moving. The core foundation for any outcome-based AI strategy is building the set on data foundation correctly. That is the one area that each and every board is looking for, because whatever AI strategy, AI tools you are going to bring, if your data foundation is not correct, then it will go for toss. Right? It will not give the desired outcome, and you will easily fail on that. So that is one area. Second, the AI strategy is not an individual responsibility of CIO or CTO of the organization. It should be a top-driven approach from the top, and the CEO is one who is going to drive it. We all are there to support that strategy. So how we are going? First of all, we need to have an AI council set up done in the organization. That AI council will ensure that what are the business outcome use cases that is going to give a business benefit which can be measured in terms of ROI. That should be discussed, and not about experiment but getting the outcome. There are a lot of governance required nowadays. Now Anirban was talking about threats and all. So there are a lot of guardrails, controls, a lot of security need to be implemented to protect that AI use cases. So we need to think from the beginning itself how the guardrails is going to be delivered. Now the third, which is very critical, is a talent strategy. If you don't have AI correct talent skills available in the organization, you're not able to sustain, you're not able to maintain your AI tools and technology. So these are the things which we are looking for, how we can get the real benefit out of AI.
Thanks, Anand. Apoorv, you've got experience of interacting with several clients. You lead the finance and spend tower for SAP. What's your take on the boardroom discussion moving to real business where AI is actually implemented? What have you seen across your clients?
Thanks, Ankit, and very insightful answer. A lot of takeaways. See, from my perspective, there is indeed quite a bit of gap between the boardroom conversations of AI and the actual business transformation, which all of us are, driving. But then there are changes possible, and I would like to possibly mention about 3 or 4 key changes. If those changes are going to happen, it is going to help us accelerate the the rubber meets the road conversation, right? With AI really delivering the outcomes we are all looking for. One of the key things I would highlight is that